Alright guys, this is going to be programming with chip offsets. This is something you're going to have to learn. It's real simple, real easy. We'll make it simple for you. Right here we have a burn to chip burner from Motes.net. Notice the chip is all the way that way inside of it. You'll have two empty slots, that's for bigger chips. But these right here are the 27 SF512s. They come with a package adapter that he sells, and it also has this simple open and closing arm. You'll open it, lifts right out, put your new one in, close it. Also notice, see this little indention? Well, it's not going to be no good. This little indention right here in this chip. When it's in the burner, remember, chip goes all the way back, and that indention faces this way. Alright, now that we have that covered and it's plugged in, we need to go to our flash and burn. Motes.net. Alright, now over here's the different chips that you can have. Now you may not have a 27 SF512, but for this exercise we're assuming that you have bought that from Motes with the adapter, and he sends the 27 SF512 chips. So you've got to highlight it. If you don't highlight it, it doesn't know. You've got to pick. So just click on it once, highlight it. But over here is the real important part. It's called chip addressing and buffer addressing. We have to make these match for whichever one we're using. So if it's speed density, it's going to be 32 kilobytes. If it's mass airflow, it's going to be 16 kilobytes. The way we know for sure is, let's go to Motes.net. Link's going to be in the video here, in the description. No, you just go to hit. I have it highlighted. Speed density is 32K. Remember, the chip means everything. So if you wasn't using a 27 SF512, let's say you was using the AT29C256, you would highlight this one and use this one. But for this exercise again, 27 SF512. We see our buffer start and our buffer end. So let's pull up our chip, flash and burn, buffer start, buffer end. Let's see if it matches. All zeros, 007 FFF, all zeros, 007 FFF. So that matches. Now how about our chip addressing start and end? Start would be 008, 000. Right there, see what I'm saying? So we need to correct that. 008, 000. And at the end, 00 FFFF. That's correct. So, now we want to know, is our chip ready? So we're going to go right here. We're going to check it, see if it's blank. Check for blank device. Notice it's flashing. It says chip is blank. Let's go ahead and do an erase. Erase succeeded. So we know it's communicating, etc. Now let's say you had Brian or Scott burn you a new bin. You've done some data logging, and now we know we've erased it. Let's go ahead and do another blank check. Checking for blank device. Chip is blank. So we're ready to put a new bin on it. So let's say Brian just burned us a bad to the bone tune. Ignore that box, that's causing me, but you'll pick your bin. So let's pretend that AUJ Pets a factory bin. Let's say that's one Brian bin, and we'll hit open, and then all you'll have to do is once you open it is hit program chip, and then when it's done, you want to verify chip with buffer, and you're done. Exit out of the program, unplug the burner, take it, put it in the car. Pretty simple. More videos coming. Stay tuned.